Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 26 June 2018, 18 of hour, 07 of minute and 32 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can I take a can of shaving cream on an airplane? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can I take a can of shaving cream on an airplane. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can I take a can of shaving cream on an airplane. So it is important to remember that all liquid, aerosol and gel items must be stored in containers 3.4 ounces smaller. If you want to travel with your full-size aerosol containers of antiperspirant, hairspray, suntan lotion, shaving cream, and hair mousse, you can do so by packing them in your checked baggage. Last update August 20th, 2013. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.